Alright guys, we got a little project going on. We're going to make a new rig for our new camera. We're going to make 2 rigs for our new camera.
For about 15 bucks.
Yeah. So, the one thing we noticed with this DJI Osmo Action,
yep.
The battery sucks. That's the only problem with it. I mean, it's a problem with all cameras, but the Action really, that's the downfall we've noticed. So, we're going to make a selfie stick, a long one, and a short little handheld one, like you get with the GoPros, but ours is going to have a charger in it.
Yeah. So we got this, basically, it's like a lipstick charger. It holds like 30-something milliamp hour. 3350 milliamp hour batteries. Basically enough to charge your cell phone or keep a DJI Osmo Action or a GoPro charged for quite a while. So this, I want to say, was like, what did I pay for this? Like $8 on Amazon.
Yeah, it wasn't much. We'll find the link and we'll add it in.
And I got this cable for like $5 or $6 on Amazon as well too. This is literally just a 6-inch cable. So I'll leave these links in the descriptions. And what we have is, what we're going to do is we're basically going to make these with just a cap on one end and a threaded cap on the other. And we're just going to sink this right in. It fits in there perfectly. So this will sink in, and then we'll be able to have the camera mounted on top using a 1/4 by 3/4 inch nut and bolt. So
it'll stick out just enough to thread the camera into it with the base that we have, and we'll be able to remove this to charge this or use this on something else.
Plug it in and Alright, so Tyler, cut the first pipe. What do we got here? Thankfully we have a ton of sandpaper hanging out right around here.
There you go.
Clean that up. So what do you got for glue, Tyler?
Just regular, clear PVC cement.
That you took from your old man?
It's locked.
Maybe.
Come down. Alright, we got one end on. Alright, what are we going to do with the other side? We're going to drill this out first while that sets.
You want
to just throw the cat? You want to keep this at the same length? Keep this at this long length?
Keep it at this long length? So the only issue is if we keep it at the long length, what are we going to do for holding the charging stick from not just plummeting down?
Cut some bubble wrap. We shove bubble wrap down there first. That way it just sits right on top.
Probably do it.
It will.
Yeah. And then what
roll
we
it
can
up,
do
it fits in there nice and tight.
Yeah. That'll work. It's not rocket science. It's just
work with what you got.
A ghetto deep PVC camera rig, and then this way when we're out ripping the go-kart and we're like, yeah, check us out, man, we're cool. And we're not like using the mounts that we put on the go-kart.
Right. So you want a little bit in here.
So this one's drying, it's doing its thing.
Yep.
Basically, this is just 1/4 by 3/4 inch. That's what the, I think it's called cold shoe or soft shoe, cold shoe mount. On a lot of the cameras, it's 1/4 thread. So that's going to go in there. It's 1 inch. Because
it's 1 inch ID, not OD.
Yeah, 1 inch ID. Because the this is 0.92.
Alright. So this one, you want to drill the hole first? Drill the hole after we have this on there?
So you chopped. You didn't chop it.
I didn't do anything yet.
So
when we glue this on, then we'll drill the hole?
Yeah. Did you have to chop? Are we chopping that?
I don't know.
What did you say?
What you're talking about chopping?
No? What were we chopping? I don't know. Man, I swear he said he was chopping something. He ain't chopping shit. Chopping. Yeah. Cool. Send it. Yeah, 1 inch. It's getting to be late at night. We're old. Worked all day at the real jobs. Someday we hope to
hit
quit.
that like and subscribe button
hit
so
that
we don't
like,
have to go to work.
Comment and subscribe. Just say hi. I don't even give a shit. Just say hi.
That way this can be our full-time job.
We can do really cool shit.
Here we go, bud. Yeah.
Yeah, we may have to actually pack that down some.
Yeah.
Maybe once we get this all on there, though.
Pack it down a little bit more. It's gonna spring back up.
Yeah.
See, redneck ingenuity here.
Yeah, that actually is perfect. That's a good little.
This one's not bad either, though.
Yeah, and that's basically if we're shooting something and we're like, yeah,
you can hold it up high, keep it nice and short.
Yeah.
And when you're in the go-kart.
Yeah, if you're in the go-kart or you're.
Or you're gonna have to put something up top that'll swivel it, so that you can
Yeah.
almost create it like a selfie stick, so you can hold it out.
Well, that's what these mounts are for.
Yeah.
You can angle the camera thing.
I know they make taller mounts, so we may have to
Yeah.
get a taller one if you don't have one.
Yeah.
Couple
We'll
bucks.
see what we have. But
I'm gonna glue this piece.
I got one of those yellow. I bought one of those kits for my other camera, my GoPro, and we were using that in the first couple of videos, and that worked good. But having something that's gonna charge while we work is gonna be really cool. You know, you just gotta get the videos to do as good on my personal channel, on this channel. I think my CD slot tablet mount is at like 33,000 views in like a year. Never expected that in a million years.
No, off of something
So
as
simple.
stupid as it is.
Yeah, it is.
It's just
But it's cool.
a
It's a
bent
cool
piece
thing.
of metal. That's all it is.
With some magnets and
It's like a 3-minute long video.
yeah. But it's cool as fuck.
It is. There we go.
So that's the long, Johnny. We got the daily long, the daily one, the daily one, and then we got the long Johnny. We're out doing something. So this one is good and dry now, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one is.
This one is. So now we have our cap. We're gonna have to drill our hole. Screw on cap.
Yep. Alright, so you saw he drilled the hole, put the bolt in, put the nut upside down, because he bought a flange nuts, so gives a little bit wider of a base.
Yeah.
We tried it upside down first, or the right way first, and we're like, eh.
Want a little bit more mounting surface area on the camera mount.
So we just flipped it upside down.
And that should keep it to the grooves, serrations, or whatever the hell they're called.
Yeah.
That should keep the mount from kind of loosening up on us over time. Right there?
Yep. There you go.
Ooh, let's do maybe a pilot first. Right here. Let's just use a 1/4 inch pilot. 1/4 inch. Don't go all the way through. I got it.
Didn't tell you don't use them enough.
Use it all the time. I just like the thread anyway. That got weird. It went whoop. Whoo.
It's gonna work perfect.
She's gonna work minty. This was literally a 2-foot piece already pre-cut at Home Depot. It's 1-inch ID PVC pipe, schedule 40, I think.
Yeah.
Schedule 40. And we bought 2 of these threaded ends. And then we have 2 caps and 2 plugs for the threaded ends, female threaded ends. And we have 2 quarter 20 by 3/4 inch coarse thread and 2 1/4 by 20 flange nuts. So that goes
Perfect.
perfect. Go ahead and see what we got there, Tyler. That is
There we go. Pull this out.
slick.
Plug it right in.
We'll let the rest
There we
drop
go.
right in. Wow.
And then we got a charger.
Maybe we'll file that end down.
Yeah, we will.
File that up. And we'll be able to basically plug it right into the camera just like that, and we'll have constant charging, and we'll have a handle. Definitely cheap. This is DIY type of thing. Just rig this up ourselves. You know, we're all about doing things cheap.
We are. We're Amazon guys.
We're Amazon Prime guys.
Not gonna lie, we're redoing most of the crap in this car. And most of it was bought off Amazon.
Yep. So I don't do it. Whoa! My God! Jesus! Where's safety glasses? That was like butt. I was like, I barely even touched it. It just sent it across the. Alrighty then.
Yeah. Somebody needs to go to sleep.
Jesus. You saw that. Super simple stuff. Oh yeah, bud. There we go. Drop her in.
There we go.
Now all the
Number 2.
cold shoe mounts for the cameras and like the GoPro mounts will thread right on here, and basically that's what we're after. We just plug this right into the camera, and we've got 2
Yeah.
thumbnail,
Awesome.
2 selfie sticks that charge. This is definitely the weirdest thing that I've invented, probably, but
It was a good idea.
you know,
It was definitely a good
it's a
idea.
good idea because it's just gonna help us, you
Yeah.
know. Until
It's
I
gonna be
buy
nice.
I could spend like $40 and buy a bunch of batteries and all that stuff, but then we gotta stop doing what we're doing, change batteries, and I'd rather just send it for as long as we can at a time.
Do you have a mount to show them on video? I think you've got some mounts in there.
I might. Tyler threading on the. I think it's called the cold shoe mount. I don't know. It's a camera mount. I'm gonna.
But then it'll just
Camera
fit right in
jockey.
here, and the camera will be right up here. We'll be able to tilt it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Here you go, guys. We're gonna order up a couple more of these mounts, and for now, that's gonna be it. So, later.